In this video, I will show you two methods to solve for inverse proportion. Let's start with the first method. Method 1 is the equation method, where I'll quickly write down my equation according to the hint. The hint is y is inversely proportional to root x. So it means that y is proportional to 1 over root x. How do we find k? We will look at the clues. Y equals to 6, x equals to 9. Immediately, let's sub in the values. I got k equals to 18, and now immediately sub back k into the equation. So now I know that y equals to 18 over root x. We're not done with the question. Now they want us to find the value of y when x equals to 25. So let's immediately sub in, let x equals to 25, and find my value of y. And answer is y equals to 3.6. Now on to method 2, which I will use the table and constant k. So it's given that b is inversely proportional to root a, which means b equals to k over root a. So if I want to find value of k, which is b times root a. And take note that this k applies for all pairs of values of a and b. So since b is compared to root a, I'm going to make a new row with root a and find root a individually. So how I get 1, 2, and 4 is because from a, I will do a square root. And now on to find constant k. I know my k equals to b times root a, so I'm just gonna multiply my row of b versus row of root a. This one pair of value will allow me to get my constant k. 8 times 1 equals to 8. And since constant a applies for all pairs, then 8 will be my constant for all pairs of b and root a. Which means I can start filling this box and this box. 16 times what will give me 8? Well, 16 times half will give me 8, and 4 over 3 times 6 will give me 8. Now with my new values of root a, I can work backwards to find my a. This is done by squaring my values of root a. So half square will give me 1 over 4, and 6 square will give me 36. Last but not least is to fill up the blanks over here, which I can use back my constant k. I know that these values of b multiplied by my root a will give me my constant 8. So 4 times 2 will give me 8, and 2 times 4 will give me 8. So now we have filled the table.